This is the happiest girl ever. Hello everyone and welcome to Pawspot. Today I'm going to show you why everyone needs to own a dog, and I hope these cute doggos will brighten your day. This is Stevie and he's probably the happiest pup ever. This doggo is both blind and deaf but still extremely happy regardless. Kobe has always been the sweetest boy ever. It's amazing that he's wiggling his tail along with his entire body. The way this pup rested his head so gently in his owner's hand is the most heartwarming thing ever. He helps out with raking the leaves and he is so adorable. This is probably the cutest dog transformation ever. She tried the trend lay on your dog's bed and her reaction was super heartwarming. Just look at the way her dog looked at her. That little tap he did on his dad's tummy is so adorable.
Ready? That made me crazy. Yes, that made me crazy. Yes, that made me crazy.
Meet Morty, he's the happiest doggo ever. He's moving so fast yet so slow and I'm loving every second of it. Those whittle toppy taps are the best things ever.
This is not just a dog. This is my best friend. Always by my side. Always faithful. Can't imagine life without my dog.
Sometimes dog hugs are better than human hugs, and here's proof.
The dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than it loves itself. Go get a dog.
This is Sunny. Those pups may look and smell different, but each one of these little furballs are his babies. He's a single father and he's trying his best. is exactly my reaction after touching a dog. What's yours?
Hey Bowman, I got something for you. I got something for you. I know, this is yours. I know. You want me? I know.
This is so heartwarming the way she stopped in her tracks like, wait. I'm going home? She looks so much part of the family already. If this isn't the cutest thing you have seen all day, then I don't know what it is.
First hike today. She's doing pretty good. Got a little tired. That's okay. She's doing great.
This is the cutest thing of all time.
Filmed a commercial for 8 puppies. So I walked her to the mom and asked her if she wanted a free video of her pups. She was a little skeptical at first, but after showing her my TikTok page and all the videos I made, she said yeah. So we got to filming.
And that's all for today. I hope these cute pups were able to put a smile on your face. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Also don't forget to subscribe for more of the cutest paws on the internet, and we'll see you in the next one. What was your favorite video? Let us know in the comments below.